Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see here on this piece of 4x4, I've cut a 22.5 degree angle down both sides, so that when I put it up on my wishing well, I've already got the grooves cut to put the roof on. Keep tuned and watch this. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so my wishing well is almost completed, as you can see all the way. Took a little while to build, but it was still fun. I just have that one piece left up there, and my battery's dying on my camcorder, so I just wanted to let you guys know that I will get that piece on, and I'll charge my battery and give you guys a photo of it after it's done. So please, if you like this, keep tuned and subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you later. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. This is my wishing well planter that I have built from scrap wood. Just a little project to have some fun. I'm gonna write a supply list of everything you need to do this if you guys want. And please don't forget, if you haven't subscribed already, to subscribe. Well, until next time, have yourselves a great time. Bye.